Sunday. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. Monday. Monday. Monday means Somvar. Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday यानी मंगलवार. Thursday. Thursday. Thursday यानी बुधवार. Wednesday. Wednesday यानी गुरुवार. Friday. Friday. Friday यानी शुक्रवार. Saturday. Saturday यानी शनिवार. Thanks for watching, kids. Please like, share and subscribe now.